What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make these awesome crispy chicken rolls with spinach and rice. Very good for lunch boxes because you can hide stuff in the chicken rolls and your kids don't really get to see. And they're also great as a party snack or just for lunch or dinner. Easy to make. All you need is some chicken breast. I got some really sad looking small breasts. But it's okay. You want to butterfly them and then just set them aside. I'm sorry. If you follow me, you know my humor is a bit special. You want to put them between two parchment papers and then use a rolling pin and de-stress by whacking them. Please don't whack anybody with the rolling pin. It's just fine for the chicken. Once you flatten them, you want to sprinkle a little salt and a little pepper and set them aside. Next, we've got some spinach leaves. It was a long holiday in Muscat, and all I could find are these sad-looking spinach leaves. But it's okay. We will make it work. You know, it's doable. Once you've washed and dried all your spinach, I've also got some bell peppers. I've got some feta cheese that's got za'atar and some cooked rice. So you're going to grab your spinach leaves and then add the cooked rice to it. This is like a whole meal, you guys. So if you've got fussy eaters, you just hide it in there. So bell peppers go in, and then your feta cheese goes in as well. Feel free to put anything else. I added some garlic mayo just for an extra flavor punch. Then you want to roll your spinach like so, and then just set aside. It's a bit hard to do. You then want to take the spinach and then just put it, encase it in your chicken breast. Wrap the chicken breast around the spinach, however you want to say it. This is a very tough method, and you're probably going to lose your mind a couple of times doing this. If this is the method you choose, you can use a skewer to secure everything in place. I don't recommend this method. I recommend a rolling mat, a sushi rolling mat. Put some cling film on it. If you don't have a sushi rolling mat, you can use a placemat, as long as it's one that can bend. So then add your chicken breast and your spinach, and then just tightly roll this. This also makes everything look really cute. Another really cool thing about doing this way, you can then individually wrap your chicken and then just put it in the freezer for another day. If you're not going to be freezing it, I do recommend you put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes just so everything kind of firms up. Now let's make our batter. I'm adding rice flour, just regular rice flour, and some all-purpose flour. A little salt, a little Spanish paprika, and pepper. I may have an obsession with Spanish paprika. I think I just need to accept reality. So next you want to add a little water. Please add a little at a time, because if you add too much, you're going to end up with a very runny batter, and you don't want that. You need the batter to be slightly firm, because that's then going to stick on your chicken. So once you've reached the desired kind of lump-free batter, I took a while to get there because I just kept adding very little at a time. I have some experience with this. So that's kind of what we're looking for. See? Looks like a blob. Anyway, set it aside. I've got some panko crumbs. I love using panko crumbs. But if all you have is regular breadcrumbs, it's okay. You can use that. So get your chicken rolls out. I actually did these the next day, so I froze them. And this part was filmed at 6 in the morning. So the lighting is a little bit different. But I like to make fresh food for my kids. So if you're like me, at 6 a.m., dropping stuff all over the place, take your chicken, put it in the batter, and make sure it's well coated. Clearly I needed coffee. And then you want to roll your chicken in the panko crumbs or your breadcrumbs or even your samosa wrappers that have been chopped up, if that's what you have. And then add it to your oil. Make sure you reduce the oil's heat the heat of the pan when you put the chicken roll in the oil. Otherwise, it's going to burn on the outside and the inside's still going to be raw, and you don't want that. You can totally do 2 to 3 at a time, up to you. And once they're nice and golden brown, there you go, hello. There's the feta cheese. You can then snack on one and put the rest in your child's lunchbox, like I did. As you can see, there's only 3 pieces there. Some are missing. It's because they're in my belly. I hope you enjoyed this really simple tutorial. Do give it a try. And if you're not subscribed to Swahili Food, hit that subscribe button, guys, and join the family. I love hearing back from you. So let me know if you've tried this out. Give the video a thumbs up. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye!